Hello there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin, and today we're going to be opening up my Archer and Olive and Archer and Olive order. Not sure which one this is. This could either be, it's my subscription box. I can't wait to open it and see what it is. So I do not do spoilers. Let me take this out. I avoid spoilers at all costs online of these subscription boxes because I like to be surprised on what I'm getting. So let's open this up and see what we have. This says, life is a mix of curtain calls and quiet rehearsals, all a part of the same beautiful show Not every day calls for the spotlight, yet each of us carries a quiet brilliance waiting to shine. So take a deep breath and let your creativity take the stage and make this moment spectacular. Love that. Oh, I like the fact that it's not like sealed shut. How pretty. All right, we have ephemera. This tells us all the things that it has. We won't look at that just yet, but it looks like there's a lot going on here. So let's go ahead and take everything out. If you guys have been here for a while, I do not pause my videos unless my baby calls me, and he does that often. So let's actually unwrap this. And this is a notepad. All right. Sometimes the packaging gives it up, which is fine. This is like, a gift to myself. And I do want to be surprised. When you're an adult, you tend not to get surprised as often as when you're a kid. So, I'm having children. I love to get them, surprises and do all the things. So, having these little moments for me, I feel like it's deserved. So we're going to take all this stuff out, and obviously the notebooks are the star of the show for me. So these are going to be the last things that we open. But let's go ahead and take them all out. I try my best, as you can see, not to look at the back of it, so that we don't see what these boxes are, because these are a little different. Alrighty. I probably will need that to open up as a matter of fact, I won't use that. I will use my scissors, which are right here. Let's use that. All right, so I wish that I had a bunch of time to look at these, but we only have about 20 minutes to open everything up, because that's just about how long in between setting things up and doing everything and saving videos that I normally have. So when my videos are a little more than 30 minutes, most of the time they are more than one video, they're split up into. This is a book rest, page rest, which I think is so cute. I'm assuming you put this right in the middle of it and then it stays open. I think this is so pretty. Look at the details of it. Very nice on both sides. Pretty cool. This is acrylographs. This is 7.0, but these are metallic. Red carpet glimmer, ballet, smoky blue, midnight. And unfortunately, I won't be able to swatch these. I am hoping that I'm able to get a swatch. I have books that can be swatch books, so it's definitely not that. I'm just hoping that these are all the colors, which are very nice. It's a very beautiful palette. I love that pink. I hope it's true to the color. Let's see what these ephemera is. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Opening boxes is not my, it's not my forte. Ooh, how pretty. Look at that. So these are frames. These are not stickers from what I can gather at first glance. Maybe they are. I don't think so. Oh, maybe they are stickers. This one is definitely a sticker. So these are probably stickers. I just have to figure out. They, 15 designs, 2 of each. We have very pretty designs, and like it said, is there's 2 of each of them. Love that. Ticket and 1 admission, special event, 50 cents. 1 entry ticket, a spectacular night of radiance and renewal. I love the details on this, and it feels great. I love these. So cool. And some stars. All right. Let's put that to the side. Alrighty, guys, give me just 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, that was fun. But let's get back to this. Let's see what we have here. I have no idea what this is. I don't know. Accordion folio. I don't know what that is. So I'm just gonna open it and see. What? Oh, I think I know what this. I think didn't they have this like the what is it, the butterfly? Oh, interesting. Just little pockets. And you can, I guess, put the ephemera and stuff in here. This is cute. Oh, this is a chandelier, not something that goes upside down. It's a chandelier. That's cute. At least you know what the top is. Well, don't mind me. I'm having a lot of dull moments. So I digress. I think this is cute. I don't know what I would use this for. Maybe I would use this for like a project based ephemera, like if I'm gonna do something specific. I would put all the ephemera in one place, and that's where it would be. Now we have the decorative tapes. Let's see what this one looks like. And the reason why I didn't take out the acrylographs is because these I think you have to prep and shake and do all the things to it to get them to work. So that's the reason why I'm not taking those out. And these are the 7.7 millimeters. Just, I don't know if I said it. So here we are. And this one is the decorative tape. And I think I opened it upside down. This is the life I'm having right now, guys. This is the life of a brand new mom. All right. All right. I love this. These have like 1 ticket admission and stuff like that. That's cute. And then these are stripes, and it has florals and like wave designs. Let me grab one of my books that I put my other ephemera in. So let's go ahead and swatch these out. This is another thing I would love to swatch out. Would you guys watch a swatch book being done? I'm curious. I love the way that it rips. Then this one is that fun it's like that fun triangle diamond pattern. Go ahead and I love the way that it rips. Very nice. Let's grab this one. I really like this one. Oh, but this one doesn't rip as easy. Well, normally it's bigger, so it needs to rip. We have to rip it a different kind of way. And then this goes, looks like decoration. See, but that one breaks easier. This one looks like designs from like a party. So that's really, really pretty. I love that. Oh, very nice. You probably heard my son just now. I think he screamed. He's probably entertaining his little brother. All right, so now we're gonna get to the books. So this is an A5 120 page stick notebook. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, it's striped. And is this cotton? Is this cotton? It doesn't say if it's cotton. Maybe on the this thing it'll tell me if it's cotton. Oh, am I missing something? I think I'm missing one thing. Let's see. A5 notebooks, Scarlet, step into. It doesn't say white cotton cover. It is a cotton cover, guys. I like the distress look of it on the edges. The spine, the back looks very, very pretty. The gold foil details, the gold foil ampersand, the powdery pink. What are these called? These things, ribbons. Very nice. And it has a pocket in the back. And it's 120 pages, which is cool. It's less intimidating than 160 pages. I think I am missing something. Oh, we forgot something. This is a notepad. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, I like these colors. I don't have a notepad in this size. What size is this? An A6 notepad. This is so cute. Is this like a pocket size? Navy blue, a grayish blue, bubblegum pink, and then a watermelon green. Very pretty. I like this. You have the gold instead of the black. Very nice. I'm in love. Can't wait to use those things. And then we have another A5 journal. No, this is so cute. What would I use this for? Ooh, it's heavy. And I think it's heavier because it has like a metal clasp in the middle. This is dope. This is pretty dope. Not gonna lie. I will say I already see the corners are not like rounded. Not a big fan of that. Does one go first and then the other? I don't know. Very interesting. That's very nice. Then you have the weird, this is the weird paper. And like I said, they're sharp edged corners, which are different than the regular Archer and Olive books. We have this blue ribbon. Looks closer to like a denim color. And then you have the pocket in the back. This is pretty dope. This would make like a great journal, like a diary. That's what it reminds me of. A really cool diary. Better than the diaries I used to have. The ones that have like the clasp on the side. The clasp in the middle is dope. Wait a minute. How pretty. Let me just show you the corners here. Look at that. So you have something on both sides. which is pretty nice. And this is like deeply debossed. Like this right here definitely feels like curtains. It's really pretty. You have stars, the archway. This is pretty dope. This is exciting. I really, really, really like this one. This is like thinking outside the box, what to do. Even this has the gold foil. It has like texture to it. That is pretty. I don't, what would I use this for? I don't know. I would be scared to use this. This is like beautiful. All right, guys. So there you have it. We have the notebook. We have a notepad. We have this pretty delicate notebook with less pages, which is kind of nice. Very much less intimidating than 160 pages. But this right here, that is so dope. Anyway, I was able to not see any sneak peeks. That is so dope. We have this. This will keep your pages open like that. We have some washi. I'll just slide the ephemera that I had there. Just slide it to the picture. We have some acrylographs. And this was the sub box for March. I think it is so beautiful. I love how they curate everything and everything matches. But guys, this book, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love this. Well, alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I don't even know what to use this for or how to use it. So I can't even tell you, hey, join me, as I figure out how to use it. I don't know. It's so beautiful. Ugh. But that's why we do this. I collect notebooks. This is so pretty. I'm going to leave it on the screen as I pick up. Like, guys, tell me that that's not so dope. It has like brass closure on it. It looks like it's pretty secure. It's like it's not flimsy. The only thing I will say is that if it gets bulky, how would it bulk up? Would it bulk up like that and then it wouldn't close? That's why I said that this seems like it would be great for like strictly writing. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll use this for my baby's book. Yes. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll just diary about all the kids. Oh, I love this. All right. Well, there you have it, guys. I've cleaned up my mess for the most part. And you guys have stuck with me. I really appreciate you joining me on this unboxing. If you want to see more unboxing, stay tuned because I do have other things coming. So if you're excited as excited as I am and are enjoying, you know, seeing what I get, like I do online too. So that's basically what I do. I just check out everybody's site. Now I get to look and see what other people's reactions were online, which will be fun. So I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye now. There's this that I opened upside down. Bye-bye.